Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to take if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy F14. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restarting the Bluetooth connection. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works. So we have to open the connections, go to the Bluetooth, and now just switch it off, switch it on again, look for your device. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and click restart. You can also try to do it on your Bluetooth accessory. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you have activated power mode. In my case I had to click 3 times this button and my headphone was starting in a power mode. Sometimes you have to push any button for a few seconds, for example. You have to check it by yourself and you will find it in the manual to your device on my YouTube channel, so just check it. So if you're sure that you have a power mode activated and your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but still not for your phone, you can also try to go to the settings, slide down to the general management. Slide down again to the reset, tap on the reset network settings. You can see the Bluetooth is included here, tap reset settings, configure your pattern or the code and click the reset. And now the Bluetooth connection is reset and you can check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. The next recommendation from me, just try to update your system. How to do it? Open the software update, tap on the download and install. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last tip from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other phone, other Bluetooth device to check which one are making a problem here and which one is visible or which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.